my beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you 4 effective recipes that you can actually use at home to clear your sunburn. The first important effective recipe is your orange peel. As you all know, orange peel is very rich in vitamin C that helps boost collagen production, which helps remove your suntan. The next recipe is your almond milk. Almond milk clears sunburn by promoting the growth of new cells and repairs damaged tissues. The next recipe is your rose water. Rose water is a very powerful antioxidant which acts as a barrier against UV radiation, which causes sunburn on the face. Your rose water is an anti-inflammatory property, which means it can be put on the skin to soothe irritation. Rose water also acts as an anti-aging product by reducing the appearance of burns and wrinkles. The next recipe I'll be sharing with you is argan oil. Argan oil is used as skin moisturizer to hydrate and soften skin with its high vitamin E and fatty acid content. It absorbs easily and it's non-greasy on the skin. It does not irritate the skin, which makes it a great natural moisturizer. So these 4 recipes is to be used to clear your sunburn. You add 2 tablespoons of your orange peel, 1 tablespoon of your almond milk, 2 tablespoons of your rose water, and 5 drops of your argan oil. You mix it thoroughly together and leave it for at least 30 minutes for everything to mix. Then you apply it on your face in a circular motion and leave it for at least 20 minutes before you wash it out. So when you're done washing, you wash it with your warm water. And when you're done washing, look at yourself in the mirror and know that this actually works instantly. Try this and please give me your feedback in the comment section below. Remember to share this video and subscribe, and also give this video a huge thumbs up.